Will AI replace construction estimators? Is it useless if it's not 100%? Is AI only for massive contractors with huge budgets? Let's clear up 3 of the biggest myths about AI in construction estimating. I've worked as an estimator, a project manager, superintendent, and now I'm managing quality control at large commercial projects. I've used digital takeoff software like on-screen takeoff, and now we're seeing AI-assisted tools enter the construction space. So let's talk about what's real and what's not. Myth 1. AI does the whole job for you. This is probably one of the biggest misconceptions out there. AI can extract quantities faster. It can recognize patterns in drawings. It can help speed up repetitive tasks in the takeoff process. But how many of you know estimating is more than just counting? It's understanding scope gaps, it's identifying exclusions, it's evaluating constructability, and it's managing risk. AI doesn't negotiate with subcontractors. AI doesn't understand labor conditions. AI doesn't make judgment calls on ambiguous details. AI supports the estimator, but it does not replace professional judgment. If anything, it frees up estimators to focus on the higher level thinking that actually wins jobs. Myth number 2, if it's not 100% perfect, then it's useless. Let's be honest about this one. Manual takeoffs aren't 100% perfect either. Plans change, addenda comes out, details get revised, quantities shift. Estimating has never been about perfection. It's about managing risks with the best information that's available at the time. AI tools can reduce repetitive errors. They can speed up revisions. They can help cross-check quantities faster than doing everything manually. But just like any estimating tool, the output still needs review. An experienced estimator still has to apply judgment. So the goal isn't perfection. The goal is efficiency, consistency, and better decision-making under time pressure. Myth number 3, AI is only for huge GCs with massive budgets. This one surprises a lot of people. Large general contractors may adopt technology early, sure, but smaller and mid-sized contractors often benefit the most from efficiency gains. Smaller size estimating teams don't have time to waste. They don't have extra manpower to throw at every revision. AI-assisted tools are becoming more accessible, and they can help level the playing field. Speed matters. Accuracy matters. Responsiveness matters. And in competitive bidding environments, the contractor who can turn information around faster without sacrificing oversight has an advantage. So this isn't about replacing people, it's about modernizing workflows. AI in construction estimating isn't about automation taking over. It's about using better tools to support experienced professionals. AI won't replace estimators, but estimators who understand how to leverage AI may replace the slower processes. Technology changes, but professional judgment doesn't. And the firms that can combine both are the ones that will stay competitive in pre-construction. If you're in pre-construction or estimating, the real question isn't whether AI is coming, it's how do you plan to use it?